wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best splash blocks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. At nearly 2 feet long and about a foot wide, the Flex Drain 3002-12 can handle the most torrential of downpours. It's actually a few inches wider at the bottom than at the top, helping to gently disperse runoff, thereby minimizing erosion. It blends in with grass, however the plastic is thin and it needs to be secured to the spout. At number 9, the Palos Design's decorative is one option you won't want to hide behind plants in your garden, as it boasts multicolored stones artfully arranged along the walls of the extender. It's certainly more attractive than plain plastic models, but expect a higher price as a result. It's a hand-sculpted design made of durable resin, but it is on the short side. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the CTD store Playful's true purpose may not be immediately clear, as it appears to be a lawn statue depicting a curious cat and a cautious frog. Once it starts to rain though, you'll appreciate how well it creates a wide stream away from your house. Each one is hand-painted and makes an attractive addition to flower beds. However, it won't fit all downspouts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for splash blocks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you want an affordable, eco-friendly option, then the Master Mark is a smart choice. It's made from 100% recycled plastic, so it protects the planet in addition to helping protect your home's foundations from erosion. The wide mouth disperses water well and it won't chip or crack, but the color tends to stand out. Moving up our list to number 6. The Genova 19581 disperses water gently rather than channeling it into a focused stream capable of putting holes in your lawn. At almost 2 pounds, it's substantial enough to stay put in moderate winds, yet easy to move if necessary. It sports an elegant leaf design and is made in the USA. It's a durable construction. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Suncast Decorative is a relatively handsome, no-frills option for anyone who just wants to get the job done. It doesn't require any anchoring to keep it in place, as you can simply slip it under the downspout to hold it. It's good value for the price and fits under all types of spout. The high sides channel water well. At number 4, the Lite Diamond will survive regardless of where you live, as the molded plastic can withstand extreme temperatures at either end of the scale. You can leave it out year-round without worrying about it cracking or degrading. It comes in 4 colors and is roughly 2 feet long. It blends in well in gardens. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Wind and Weather Whimsical may look like a fragile decoration, but it's surprisingly durable, so don't be afraid to leave it out year-round. It's made of a weather-resistant material that enables it to survive extreme conditions. It depicts either hummingbirds or squirrels and fits standard and large spouts. The sculpture is incredibly detailed. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for splash blocks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're concerned that the exterior of your home might not be adorable enough, the Design Toscano Gutter Guardian can remedy that. These statues come in an assortment of options, including a golden retriever puppy, a squirrel, a cat, a raccoon, and more. They're made using crushed stone that's coated in a UV-resistant paint. They're ideal for animal lovers. And coming in at number 1 on our list, this aluminum option from Oakland Living will dress up your downspouts while protecting your foundations. It's heavy enough to stand up to wind and heavy rain, and the bronze finish is lovely. It's a good choice for those who want something more elegant than plastic. It's also available in pewter and won't be displaced in a storm. It's not likely to fade or crack. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for splash blocks, or simply click beneath this video.